And what I learned was small businesses just don't know the same things that big businesses know. Small businesses just don't do the same thing that big businesses do. And you have to. If you want big business results, you have to do the things that big businesses do. Welcome. I am Spiceda Jackson. If you're new in the group and you may be catching this video on replay, let me know you're watching it on replay. But this morning, I want to get straight to it, y'all. So it's confession time. Can I be honest with y'all? This morning, I'm running a little late because I'm a business owner. I'm running a little bit late because I'm an accountant. I'm running a little bit late because I'm a business strategist to many, not only to myself. I'm running a little bit late because I'm trying to save people money on their taxes before this October 15th deadline, which is next Friday. Okay? I'm running a little bit late today because I'm doing what I do and being who I am, which is CPA, accountant, mom, wife, boss, business owner, project manager, and it is a day. So I told myself, I said, Spiceda, you are still going to show up and give these nuggets. Because honestly, I've been up since the wee hours of the morning, just writing out like these secrets that I know about business, that I know that small business owners, and I've found that small business owners just don't know. Now, we learn it at different stages in our business, but there's just some things that we as business owners, when we first enter into business, and then we get into stage 2 of business, stage 3 of business, at every stage, there are things that we find out that we just don't know. And so my background, like I started, not in life as an entrepreneur. I graduated from Florida State University, got a job at a small accounting firm, worked on some nonprofit audits, did some government audit. Then I moved to New York because I felt like if I could make it in New York, I could make it anywhere. And I wanted to be a little fish. I wanted to be a big fish in a big pond, not a big fish in a little pond. And I felt like being in Tallahassee. Shout out to my FSU and FAMU friends. I felt like living in Tallahassee, which is where I worked, my first accounting firm straight out of college. I felt like, I had accomplished being student body vice president. I was AKA president. I was National Panhellenic Council president. I had made a lot of leadership moves in college and at a young age. And if I had stayed in Tallahassee, I was in College Leadership Florida. I just felt like I knew I would be successful, but I wanted more of a challenge. So I moved to New York. And from there, I just, wanted to be a writer. And so, I'm telling you guys a little bit about me, my why, how I come, just so y'all could just understand why is it that this girl is so committed to writing and getting content out and sharing it. I've always had this vision that I would be a writer, and I would write content. And I didn't after I got my degree in accounting, and I love marketing and just helping business owners attract their perfect client, which is why my hashtag is the client matchmaker. But I left this working for the small accounting firm that I worked for in Tallahassee, moved to an accounting firm that was a large accounting firm to me, but it really is small in the grand scheme of things. They had a big customer, which is Condé Nast Advanced Publications. They were the accountant for the Newhouse family, and the Newhouse is a wealthy family. Okay, I didn't say rich, I said wealthy. They're a wealthy family, and they own a whole stream of newspapers across the country. They own business journals. They own, Glamour, Vogue, GQ, House and Garden. Those are their magazine brands that they own. And, I learned a lot from them. And, like being a private accountant for them. But then Sarbanes-Oxley happened, and I said, you know what, accounting is sexy again. Let me go and work for a Big Four accounting firm. Took an audit position at KPMG, one of the Big Four accounting firms. Did audits there, and then left KPMG New York, moved to KPMG Atlanta to focus on financial due diligence for businesses. So there I was the CPA on the deal that helped with getting the deal done, looking at financial statements. But now, fast forward, work for another firm. I'm here now, and I went into business for myself. And what I learned was small businesses just don't know the same things that big businesses know. Small businesses just don't do the same thing that big businesses do. And you have to. If you want big business results, you have to do the things that big businesses do. And some of the things you're not doing as a small business owner, I'm talking to small business owners this morning, you're not doing those things because you just don't know them. You don't know them to do. And so I've decided that, and this has always been a part of my why, but I've gotten clearer on it. And I want to give you guys one tip because I got to roll. I need to be on another call in 5 minutes to help my client reduce their taxes. But sometimes I get so much pushback, because as small business owners, sometimes we just don't understand. So my conversation this morning, and I'm going to say this, as transparent and as in secrecy as I can, the reason why you owe on your tax return is because your financial statements are bad. Bad, bad, bad. They're wrong. Your financials are wrong. You didn't pick up all your deductions, and you didn't do the number one thing that every business owner must do. Every accountant must do for you. Every tax preparer should have done for you. But you guys don't want to hire people to do the right thing. You want to go to an accountant. You want to go to a CPA, and you want to say, hey, I need you to help me do my taxes. Doing your taxes is more than you passing over documents. You gotta have financial statements, and those financial statements must have been reconciled. There's 3 forms of reconciliation. We reconcile our cash, we reconcile our receivables, and we reconcile our payables. If all 3 of those have not been done, which I would say 80% of small businesses probably aren't doing it, but the big businesses are, and they're very confident when they get ready to do their taxes. You know why they're confident? Because they know that their numbers, their financial statements are correct. You're not confident because your financial statements are wrong, all wrong, or you're just not sure about it, or you say, you know what, I think I got everything because I got my I'm invoicing over here in this system, and I got my bank account, I got my business bank account, so I'm keeping up with all my expenses in my business bank account, or I got this, or I got that. You got these piecemeal things that are helping you keep track of your numbers in a piecemeal way, but you're like confused. You're like, oh, well, why am I owing in taxes? Oh my God, I don't want to give away my money in taxes. Yeah, but that's what you're going to do. Profit. The government wants a percentage of your profit. How do you stop that? Use your own profit. Use your own profit before they take their percentage. Reinvest it in your business. Okay? So one of the biggest secrets that I want you guys to take away from this moment, because like I said, I got to go now. I got 4 minutes before I have to be on another call. Make sure that you talk to your accountant. Make sure that your accountant is not a tax preparer. And if you're working with an accountant who can do more for you, more than just do your taxes, like we have some clients who just want us to do their taxes, but wonder why you owe. You simply owe because your numbers are bad. You did your accounting yourself. You did not reconcile. And even if you did your numbers yourself and you did it all in QuickBooks or all in Xero and you did not reconcile, your numbers are probably wrong. And even if they're right, you're not sure if they're right. You got to do the right thing to get the right results. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Know your numbers, get good numbers, and I'm out. for today, okay? If you guys want to work with me, go to our website, www.eXFinancialCPA/tax plus 365. I am here. There, scroll down to the bottom and say, I want you to do my taxes, Spiceda. Go there, book a quick strategy session with me so that I can see what you got going on. And then from there, let's see if you need to hire us to do some accounting. And y'all stay blessed. I love y'all. Until next time, move your profit in the right direction and move yourself in the right direction for your business. And that's up. Bye.